Hi everybody, how we doing? Steve Miller here with the Genie Marketing System. Today we're going to go over how to use our map drawing tool. So on your left-hand menu in your analytics portal, there's going to be a section called Area Tools. You click on Area Tools and you'll have a few different selections here. One of them is Draw an Area. When we click into that, this is going to take you to our map drawing tool. I'm just going to minimize the menu by clicking this button up here. And on this map drawing tool, this is where we can draw out custom farms, any size we want, any area or any location we want, super easily. So the first thing we want to do is either find the area we want, or what's even cooler is we can actually put in an address right here. So if your agent has a listing and you want to create a farm around it, super easy to do. All you have to do is put in the address and boom, it takes you right to it. Now, if you wanted to draw a farm around this particular address, you can see the blue dots right in the middle there. If you wanted to draw a farm around this address, you click on this little square right here that when you hover over it, it'll say polygon tool. Now you can see I have crosshairs on my mouse. You might not be able to see that there that easily, but there's little crosshairs now. I'm right next to the blue dot. And so what you do, I'm not clicking and dragging right here. What I'm doing is I'm clicking once, I'm moving over, I'm clicking again, I'm moving over, clicking, moving, clicking, moving, clicking, and moving. And so this isn't a click and drag type of thing where you're drawing it out. It's more of a, you're going to click every single point that you want the boundary to be around. Now, if you've noticed, the way I drew this, I did not include my target property yet. Maybe I didn't draw it right, or maybe we need to move it or something. So to make an edit on it once it's already done, and by the way, one last thing is you want to make sure after you've clicked on your last little corner here to close it out by clicking on the original one that you had clicked on. That'll close out the farm and let you kind of edit it afterwards. So to edit it, what you do is you click inside of it once, and you'll see that you have these little white dots in between each of your bigger red dots here. That means that we're in edit mode, and what we can do is we can grab any of these corners here and we can extend it out to wherever we want, and we'll be able to build the exact farm that we want. Now, as I do this, you'll see that it updates up here to our property count. So you'll be able to see exactly how many properties you're getting as you change it. See, I just changed it and boom, now we have 93 properties. So that will let you get as custom as you want. It can be, radius farms are done. Never do another radius farm again because you don't need to do it. Now, another thing that you can do is if you wanted to load up a farm, let's say you searched for a farm and it looked good, but it wasn't quite there and you need to make some adjustments on it. So what you can do is you can click this little load farm button right here. And you'll see here that we have, I'm putting school zones here. You'll see here that we have the same type of search that we have elsewhere. So if we wanted to type in one of our farms, we can actually go and click that. And this takes us to the farm with the boundary on it. And if we needed to make any type of adjustments with it, we can just click on it and we can click on it again. Now, this farm right here, since it's such a smooth and kind of curvy farm, you can see there's a lot of pivot points to it, and it will take a long time to adjust all these. So your better bet on something like this would be to just redraw it. However, some farms are a little bit more boxy and square to where it's really easy to load it up and then make the adjustments. So use this tool to create custom farms for your clients if they maybe have a particular area that they don't want based around a neighborhood, but they have a subdivision of that neighborhood that they want to hit.